Welcome back to our online session. This is Swarnima teacher from Toddledom Pre-Primary section of St. Paul's High School. Dear children, I welcome you all in today's activity session in which we are going to make the first character of our story. So children, you all have done the story in class and the name of the story is, let me see, you all can guess. Okay, let me give you some hint. Animal which roars. Yes, he is the king of the jungle. He is brown and yellow in color. Tell me, which animal is this? Correct. It's a lion. And he is the first character of our story. Yes, lion is our first character. And the name of the story is also on this character only. Yes, the greedy lion. And today in this session, we are going to make lion using craft paper. So let us move our hand on the paper and let's see how we are going to complete with our first character. So let us start our session and we'll see how it look like. Let's start. Materials required to make this activity are brown paper, yellow paper, scissor, black marker, googly eyes and Fevicol. Now children will start the activity. First we are going to fold this yellow paper into two half like this. Fold it and press it nicely. Now when you open it, you can find a line in the center. Use scissor and cut it into two half. After cutting, we will get one sheet of paper. Now keep it in a vertical position. Fold it into half again. Press it nicely. Now again fold it into second half. Again press it. Now when you open this fold, you can find a center line. Here, can you see? This is the center line. Now from both the ends, we are going to fold this paper like this. Press it. Now next step is again open it. Yes. Now from one end, we are going to fold it into 1/4 like this. Fold. Press. This way. Again fold it and press it this way. Now from the other end, what we are going to make? We are going to make the tail of lion. So dear children, you can see the first shadow line. I hope you all can see. If you have folded and pressed nicely, then you can see the shadow line. From the starting point, you have to cut the tail part to the first shadow line like this. Use scissor, cut it nicely till the first line. Okay, this way we have got the tail of lion. As you all can see, teacher is showing you the tail. Now the folded part, you have to fold into 1/4, then half, and now this is the third roll. Okay, the third folding is going to be till legs. Now apply the Fevicol on the body part like this. Spread it nicely, roll it and press it till the legs of lion. This way you have to hold it for a second, allow it to rest and stick it nicely. So can you see? Here the body, legs and tail is ready. This way at the back side you can apply a bit of Fevicol and stick the tail area like this. As you all can see, this is the legs and paws, body part and tail. Now using pencil, I am making a big U shape to give the shape of legs. This is going to be the paws. Now dear children, here I am using a big round object to make a big circle on dark brown paper. Here can you see a big circle? Now using scissor, I am going to cut it. Now on the yellow paper, I am going to make another circle, but it is going to be smaller than the previous one. So this way I have used a smaller circle, and this also I am going to cut it with the help of scissor. Now as you all can see, here I am taking another circle object. Let me tell you what I am using. This is the cap of Fevicol. Okay, this is a cap of Fevicol bottle which I am using to make the ears of lion. So this way I have drawn a two small circle, and all the circles I have cut with the help of scissor. Now using scissor I am going to cut this brown color circle. Now let me tell you what is this. This is going to be the hair of lion. So children, do you all know what is the hair of lion called? It is called mens. Yes, M-A-N-E-S, mens. This is a hair of lion. You all have seen long hair. Yes, it's a bushy hair on the lion's neck area. It is full covered with the hair. That is called mens. So this part is going to be bigger. That's why I have used a big round object. Now children, if you have taken a light brown color paper, then you have to give a proper shading using marker or Apsara dark pencil. This way you all can give the shading at the edges of this mens. So this way teacher is giving shading. You can just turn around with the help of other hand and give the shading. Now on this mens, I am going to stick the ears and the yellow circle which is the face of lion. Now with a proper gap, you have to stick the ears like this. Then apply Fevicol in the center, or you can use Fevistick. Now we are going to stick the face of lion. Okay, cover half of the ears and stick the face like this. This way we have got the face of lion now. Now the next step is going to be the sticking of googly eyes. So children, if you have not got googly eyes, it is very simple to make the eyes now. You can take a small white paper. Again you can cut it into circle shape, stick it, and on top of it you can make the eyeballs using marker. And if you have googly eyes, then you can stick it. The next step is making of nose. And you all can see what's the shape of the nose. It's exactly like strawberry. So here I have drawn this shape and I'm going to fill it using black marker pen. This way, fill the full nose using black color. So here also you have an option. You can use black crayons also. You can give the shading with pencil also. So we are done with ears, face, eyes, nose. Now the next is mouth. So this way we are going to make a jumping line towards left side and the next towards right side. You can put a small dot near the mouth area. Now the whiskers we are going to make at the edge of the face like this. 1, 2, 3 on both the sides you can draw a whiskers. So children, our body part and the face area is almost complete. Now the teacher is giving the final touch up on the paws area. Okay, you can draw a curved line near the legs so you can easily identify the paws of lion. So now we are into the last step. Apply Fevicol at the back side of the manes. And now we are going to stick it on the body part like this. Hold it and press it nicely. Give it 5 to 10 seconds to get stick. This way we are going to stick the face to the body part. Allow it to rest. Now here we have got our cutie lion. Okay, so dear children, our lion is ready. Yes? So he is going to rule the story. Yes, the full story is going around this lion only and our first character is ready. So teacher will see you soon in the next session with the second character also. Yes, I am going to teach you the second character as well. So we'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care of your health and have a good day. Bye-bye.